In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and sell Replit websites to local businesses. Full tutorial. Start by heading to the Replit homepage. From there, open the Websites section. You'll see a starter idea you can launch right away, so click. Use this idea to spin up a new project. A quick setup flow will appear. Click. Start to proceed. If you see a couple of prompts or highlighted guidance, just follow along and continue with Start until the project finishes creating. When the editor opens, give it a moment to build. You might see a message that the preview will be available soon. This is normal while Replit installs dependencies and compiles the project. As soon as the preview is ready, take a look to confirm the template is running as expected. Next, publish your website. Click Publish and confirm when asked. Replit may show a status like the agent is working on it, which simply means it's deploying your site. Once that completes, customize the visible branding. Click the site title area in the template, where you might see a placeholder like Crafting Digital, and replace it with a clear business name or offer. Keep it short and benefit-focused so it looks professional on mobile and desktop. After making edits, click Publish again to push the updates live. At this point, you'll have a working URL you can share with prospects to demonstrate speed, design, and responsiveness. Now, let's talk about turning that live demo into paying clients. Start by identifying local businesses that either don't have a website or are using an outdated, non-mobile responsive one. These are strong candidates because the improvement in visibility and credibility is immediate and easy to show. Qualify your leads by focusing on niches where a website solves a clear problem. Restaurants often need online menus and hours. Service providers benefit from contact or booking forms to capture inquiries, whether it's a plumber, a consultant, or a personal trainer. Retail or boutique shops can use simple e-commerce to sell featured items or gift cards. When you pitch, keep your value proposition simple. A professional website helps attract new customers, improves trust, and drives actions like calls, bookings, or orders. For pricing, many freelancers use a one-time setup fee for design and launch, plus a recurring monthly fee to cover hosting, maintenance, and content updates. This structure is easy for clients to understand and gives you predictable monthly revenue. Finally, craft your outreach. Send short, tailored emails or visit in person with your live Replit demo link. Show the business exactly how their site would look, highlight mobile responsiveness, and point to specific features that address their needs. Clear examples build